Here's a real estate tip, buyer edition. Listen up, you millennials especially. The biggest reason why buyers don't buy today is because they self-disqualify. They make up a story that they can't buy until they're debt-free or until they earn more money, etc. I once had a client with $35,000 in credit card debt. He was a father of 3 and the only one working, and guess what? He qualified. Why? Because he was making at least the minimum payment every month, so he had great credit. It's a good thing he bought 3 years ago, because if he would have waited until he had paid $35,000 down, his house would have been $100,000 more. So in essence, he saved about $65,000. So copy this man. So what can you do today? Well, reach out to a reputable lender and do a pre-approval. It's a very basic step where you tell your financial information, your income, your debt, and the result is you find out how much house you can afford and how much cash you need to save for the down payment and closing costs. And this is great because then you now know how much money you need, and it lets you build a timeline of when you can buy.